Hey, what's up folks? How y'all doing today? Today we have a different job, different car. It's a 2016 Kia Forte 5. We're replacing the starter. You want to learn how to remove and replace the starter? Stay with me. My name is Dia and welcome to Learn Mechanic. So first thing first, before you do anything to the starter, we have to disconnect the battery terminals. It's a 10mm, both sides. Just loosen them, you don't have to take them off, and remove it. So after disconnecting the battery, we have the starter right here. Is located under the intake. So first thing, we have to disconnect the starter connector. Just press and take off. It's easy. Behind that connector, it's one nut. It's a 12mm. That's for the coming from the battery. So that's what gives the 12 volts to the starter. And we have two bolts holding the starter to the transmission. It's one bolt right here and one on the top, if you guys can see it. It's a 14mm. Just remove these two bolts and starter become loose. So the bolts on top, on the top, you can't get access into it. It's really hard if you try to take it off from the bottom. So I found an easy way to do it. Just take off the air filter box. It's very easy. Just loose that screw, just holding the duct to the box, and it's like two clips right here. Just connect these two clips, lift it up and come off, remove the air filter. And alright, so this box right here has 3 bolts, 10mm, one here and one down there and one right here behind that duct. So move these 2 bolts, 10mm, and that box comes loose. Alright, so we take off the box and that bolt, it's like right there. You just need long extension, ratchet, and just take it off. Alright, so after we disconnect everything, you just slide the starter out. There we go. Alright, so that's how you remove the starter on 2016 Kia Forte. For installation, just repeat what we did opposite way, and it's very easy job. If that video was helpful, please don't forget hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, and thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your time. See you later.